Welcome. If your small rooms feel cramped, you're not alone. Today we're exploring the latest door designs that can transform tight spaces, making them feel bigger, brighter, and more beautiful. Let's dive into the trends redefining US homes in 2026. Traditional swing doors might seem like a simple, classic choice for any home, but when it comes to small spaces, they can quickly become a major source of frustration. Imagine trying to open a door in a tiny bedroom or a narrow hallway. Suddenly, that door feels less like a convenience and more like an obstacle you have to work around every single day. The wide arc that a swing door needs to open fully can eat up a surprising amount of precious square footage. In a small living room or bedroom, every inch counts, and the space taken up by the door's swing path is space you simply can't use for anything else. This means you're forced to push furniture away from the walls, limit your layout options, and sometimes even sacrifice pieces you love just to make sure the door can open and close without hitting anything. It's not just about wasted space either. Swing doors can actually block access to important parts of your room. Maybe you want to put a bookshelf or a cabinet near the door, but every time you open it, the door bangs into your furniture or blocks your access to storage. This can be especially annoying in rooms where storage is already at a premium, like small apartments or compact homes. Beyond the physical limitations, swing doors can also create visual clutter. When a door is left partially open, it interrupts the clean lines of your space and makes the room feel even more cramped and crowded. In minimalist or modern interiors, where open sightlines and a sense of spaciousness are key, a swing door can really disrupt the flow and make the room feel smaller than it actually is. Another big drawback is the loss of valuable wall space. The area behind a swing door is basically off-limits for shelves, artwork, or even hooks for coats and bags. You end up with blank, unused walls, not because you want them that way, but because the door's path demands it. This can be especially frustrating if you're trying to maximize storage or add personality to a small room. Over time, these little inconveniences add up. You find yourself constantly navigating around the door, squeezing past it with laundry baskets or groceries, or asking someone to move just so you can get in or out of the room. It can even become a safety issue, especially for kids, elderly family members, or anyone with mobility challenges. The door becomes a daily obstacle, making your home feel less comfortable and more cramped than it needs to be. But what if there was a smarter, more space-efficient solution? If you're tired of dealing with the limitations of traditional swing doors, it might be time to consider an alternative. Let's take a closer look at how sliding doors can transform your space and make your home feel bigger, brighter, and more functional. Sliding doors are a game-changer for small rooms, offering a blend of style and functionality that traditional swinging doors simply can't match. In homes where every square foot counts, the ability to maximize usable space is crucial, and sliding doors deliver just that. Instead of requiring clearance to swing open, these doors glide smoothly along a track, hugging the wall and freeing up valuable floor area. This makes them an ideal solution for apartments, studios, or any room where space is at a premium. By eliminating the need for a swinging arc, sliding doors allow you to place furniture, storage units, or decorative pieces right up against the wall. No more awkward gaps or wasted corners. This flexibility means you can truly make the most of your living space, whether you're designing a cozy reading nook, a compact home office, or a streamlined living room. When it comes to style, sliding doors offer incredible versatility. You can opt for rustic barn doors, which bring warmth and character to a modern home, adding a touch of farmhouse charm or industrial flair. These doors often feature exposed hardware and natural wood finishes, making them a statement piece as well as a practical solution. Or, for a more contemporary look, choose sleek glass panels. Glass sliding doors can be frosted for privacy, clear for an open feel, or even tinted for a dramatic effect. Many manufacturers offer customizable options, so you can select the perfect color, finish, and hardware to match your decor. Whether your style is minimalist, eclectic, or ultra-modern, there's a sliding door to suit your taste. Mirrored or glass sliding doors are especially effective in small or dimly lit rooms. By reflecting natural and artificial light, they help brighten the space and create the illusion of a larger, airier room. This simple trick can make even the smallest bedroom or hallway feel more expansive and welcoming. Installation is often straightforward, with many sliding door kits designed for easy DIY setup. Whether you're renovating or just looking for a quick upgrade, Speaking praise, you can often install a sliding door in a single afternoon with basic tools. Plus, the minimal hardware and clean lines keep your space looking uncluttered and modern. Sliding doors are also a fantastic choice for accessibility. Their wide openings and smooth operation make it easier for everyone to move between rooms, including those using mobility aids or strollers. This makes them a thoughtful addition to homes designed for aging in place or multi-generational living. Beyond their practical benefits, sliding doors instantly modernize and declutter any space. Their streamlined appearance helps rooms feel open, inviting, and effortlessly stylish. Whether you're aiming for a cozy retreat or a bright, airy living area, sliding doors can help you achieve your vision. If you're looking for the ultimate space-saving solution, stay tuned. Next, we'll explore pocket doors, which take the concept of sliding doors to the next level by disappearing completely into the wall. Pocket doors slide right into the wall, vanishing when open. They free up both sides of the doorway, maximizing every inch, perfect for narrow hallways, en-suites, or anywhere space is tight. Available in wood, glass, or panels that blend with your walls. Installation requires planning, but the payoff is huge in style and function. Modern hardware ensures smooth, quiet operation. Want more light? Let's talk frosted glass doors. Frosted glass doors let light flow between rooms while maintaining privacy. They make small, dark spaces feel open and airy, almost like adding a window. Versatile for any decor, from modern to traditional, durable, easy to clean, and safe with today's toughened glass. They elevate the atmosphere, adding a soft glow to any room. For even tighter spaces, folding doors might be your answer. Folding and bifold doors are ingenious solutions for maximizing space in your home, especially when you're working with tight or awkward layouts. Unlike traditional hinged doors that require a wide arc to swing open, folding and bifold doors use panels that neatly fold back on themselves, creating wide, unobstructed openings. This clever design means you can enjoy full access to a room or closet without sacrificing valuable floor space or worrying about furniture placement. These doors are particularly ideal for areas where every inch counts. Think closets, laundry rooms, pantries, or compact entryways. In small apartments or homes with limited square footage, folding and bifold doors allow you to make the most of your available space. You can easily access the entire contents of a closet or storage area, making organization and daily routines much more convenient. Plus, since they don't require swing space, you can place furniture or storage solutions closer to the doorway, optimizing your layout even further. One of the best things about folding and bifold doors is their versatility in design. They're available in a wide range of materials, including wood, glass, metal, and even lightweight composite options. Whether you prefer a classic look with natural wood finishes, a sleek and modern vibe with frosted glass panels, or a bold statement with painted or textured surfaces, there's a folding door to match your personal style and the overall aesthetic of your home. You can even find doors with mirrored panels to help make small spaces feel larger and brighter. Installation is typically straightforward, making folding and bifold doors a popular choice for DIY enthusiasts and homeowners looking for a quick upgrade. Many models come with easy-to-follow instructions and adjustable hardware, so you can achieve a perfect fit even in older homes with uneven door frames. Once installed, these doors help keep spaces tidy and organized by concealing clutter and providing a clean, streamlined look. They're also easy to maintain. Just a quick wipe down keeps them looking fresh. Beyond closets and utility spaces, folding and bifold doors can also serve as stylish room dividers in open-plan homes. If you want to create instant privacy between a living room and dining area, or separate a home office from the rest of your space, these doors offer a flexible solution. Simply fold them open to connect spaces for entertaining, or close them for a more intimate, private setting. Their adaptability makes them perfect for modern lifestyles, where multifunctional spaces are a must. Modern folding and bifold doors are equipped with high-quality hardware that ensures smooth, quiet operation every time you open or close them. Advances in track and hinge technology mean you won't have to deal with sticking, squeaking, or misalignment. Many models also feature soft close mechanisms for an added touch of luxury and safety, especially in homes with children or pets. If you're drawn to contemporary design, you'll love the latest trend of ultra-minimal folding doors. With slim profiles, hidden tracks, and seamless finishes, these doors blend effortlessly into modern interiors, creating a clean and sophisticated look. Whether you're renovating a small apartment or updating a single room, folding and bifold doors offer a smart, stylish, and space-saving entryway solution that adapts to your needs and enhances your home's functionality. Minimal doors feature flat panels, matte finishes, and neutral colors for a calm, uncluttered look. They blend into walls, making rooms feel larger and more cohesive. Concealed hinges and push-to-open systems create a seamless effect, easy to maintain and versatile for any home style. Perfect for those who love serene, organized spaces. Now let's see how smart features are taking doors to the next level. Smart doors bring convenience and style to modern homes. Features like soft close mechanisms and hidden handles add luxury and safety. Some doors integrate with home automation, unlock with your phone or light up as you approach. Built-in soundproofing and insulation make them perfect for offices or nurseries. Many smart features are now affordable and easy to retrofit. Good design is about making your home work better for you. Thanks for joining me to explore door designs transforming small spaces. Even a simple door upgrade can make your home feel bigger and brighter. Which design would you choose? Share your thoughts below and subscribe for more inspiration. Let's turn every room, no matter how small, into a space you love.